Good afternoon, students. My name is N. Ramesh. Subject Maths. Already previous problems వచ్చేసి previous class లో compound angles topic discuss చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. Same as ఇది ఇవాళ కూడా అదే క్లాస్ రిపీట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. Okay. Today first problem is if sin A is equal to 12 by 13 comma cos B is equal to 3 by 5 and neither A nor B is in the first quadrant, then find the quadrant in which A plus B lies. Okay, students. Here what is the given value? Given that sin A equal to 12 by 13, cos B is equal to 3 by 5 and neither A nor B is in the first quadrant. Neither nor mean రెండు కూడా ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో లేవన్నాము. ఐదర్ ఆర్ మీన్ ఐదర్ అదైనా ఉండొచ్చు లేదా ఇదైనా ఉండొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు? నైదర్ ఏ నార్ బి ఈజ్ ఇన్ ది ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. నైదర్ నార్ మీన్ both are does not lies in the first quadrant. Either or mean lies, either A or B lies in the first quadrant. Neither nor ante rendu undavu ani artham. Okay, A nor B is in the first quadrant. Then find the coordinate in which A plus B lies. So A plus B అనేటటువంటి కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్ ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్ లో ఉందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాను. ఓకే, నిజమే. Given that sin A is equal to 12 by 13 is positive. So positive means angle A lies in which coordinate? Sin in which coordinates are positive? Either A lies in either first coordinate or second coordinate. But A does not belongs to first coordinate, means A belongs to sin A is positive and A does not belongs to Q1, means A belongs to is in which coordinate? Second coordinate. So we can draw a right angle triangle in second coordinate, angle A 12, 13. What is the adjacent side value? 13 square minus 12 square, 116 and minus 144, 25. 25 means 5 plus or minus 5. These side values are all negative values. So from the figure we can write the value of cos A. Cos A is equal to minus 5 by 13. And what is another given value? Cos B is equal to 3 by 5. This is also is positive and B does not lies in first coordinate. So B belongs to is in which coordinate? Cos in which coordinates are positive? Either first coordinate or fourth coordinate. But we are given that B does not lies in first coordinate. So B lies in which coordinate? Fourth coordinate. So we can draw a right angle triangle in fourth quadrant. for angle B, cos adjacent by hypotenuse. And what is the value of opposite side? 3 by 5. 25 minus 9, 16. 16 means plus or minus 4. These side values are all negative values. So minus 4. From the figure we can write the value of sin B. Opposite by hypotenuse, minus 4 by 5. Okay. Finally we can find the coordinate in which A plus B lies. So for angle A plus B, we can find sine of A plus B. What is the formula of sine of A plus B? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Already we know the values of sine A, cos A, sine B and cos B. What is the value of sine A? 12 by 13 into cos B 3 by 5 plus what is the value of cos A? Minus 5 by 13 into sin B minus 4 by 5. So totally LCM is here 65. 12 3 ja 36 minus of minus plus 5 4 ja 20. 56 by 65. This value is also positive. Positive means sign in which coordinates are positive? A plus B lies in either first coordinate or second coordinate. Next we can find cos of A plus B. By the compound angle cos of A plus B can be written as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now we can substitute the values of cos A. What is the value of cos A? Minus 5 by 13 into cos B 3 by 5 minus what is the value of sin A? 12 by 13 into sin B minus 4 by 5. So totally what is the LCM? 65 is LCM. Minus 15 minus or minus plus 48. 48 minus 15 33 by 65. This value is also positive. Cos in which coordinates are positive? Either first coordinate or fourth coordinate. For these two ratios compound angle, in these two compound angle, what is the which coordinate is common coordinate? First coordinate is common coordinate. Therefore, A plus B lies in first quadrant. Okay students, first A plus B find out చేయడం కోసం sin cos two ratios ని యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం. sin of A plus B ఫార్ములా యూస్ అయ్యేటటువంటి వాల్యూ sin A cos B cos A sin B ఆ 4 వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ cos of A plus B ఫార్ములా యూస్ చేస్తూ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ టూ కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్ పాజిటివ్ నెగటివ్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని కోఆర్డినేట్స్ అప్లై చేస్తాం. దా రెండిట్లో వచ్చేటటువంటి కామన్ కోఆర్డినేటే ఫైనల్ గా మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి కోఆర్డినేట్. ఓకే, థాంక్ యూ ఎవరీవన్. నోట్ దిస్ వన్. Okay, completed students. Okay, right on the next one. Right on the next one. Find first one tan of pi by 4 plus a in terms of tan a. Second one cot of pi by 4 plus a in terms of cot a. Find tan of pi by 4 plus a in terms of tan a, cot of pi by 4 plus a in terms of cot a. Okay, listen here. For the first one, tan of pi by 4 plus a value in terms of tan. This compound angle is in the form of tan of a plus b. What is the formula of tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan pi by 4 value 1 plus tan a by 1 minus 1 into tan a, that equal 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. This is tan of pi by 4 plus a value in terms of only tan a. What is the second one? Cot of pi by 4 plus a. This value can be written in terms of only cot a. This compound angle is in the form of cot of a plus b. What is the formula of cot of a plus b? Cot a into cot b. Cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot b into cot b plus cot a. Cot of a plus b, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. We know the value of cot pi by 4. What is the value of cot pi by 4? 1 into cot a minus 1 by cot a plus 1. So 1 into cot a minus 1 by cot a plus 1. This value is cot of pi by 4 plus a. Okay. These two is also formulas. Tan of pi by 4 plus a is equal 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. Cot of pi by 4 plus a can be written as cot a minus 1 by cot a plus 1. Okay, note that one. Completed. Okay, write down the next problem. Prove that cot 42 degrees cos 42 degrees plus cos 78 degrees plus cos 162 degrees is equal 0. Prove that cos 42 degrees plus cos 78 degrees plus cos 162 degrees is equal 0. Okay. So first we can take LHS. Cos 42 degrees plus cos 78 degrees plus cos of 162 degrees. So these three angles are, we know the values of 42 degrees, 78, 162. So first of all, this three angle, by using compound angles, we can write cos of 42 can be written as 60 degrees minus 18 plus cos of 78 can be written as 60 degrees plus 18 degrees plus cos of 162 degrees can be written as 180 minus 18 degrees. Cos of 60 minus 18. 60 we can consider A. 18 we can consider B. The total compound angle is in the form of cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A into sin B plus cos of A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus cos of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is in which coordinate? Second coordinate. In the second coordinate, cos ratio is negative, minus 180 minus is in even multiple. If angle are in even multiple, ratios will be not changed. Cos 18. In the total term, which terms are equal terms? Both are opposites and both are get cancelled. Cos 60 cos 18 plus cos 60 cos 18. 2 cos 16 degrees into cos 18 plus of minus cos 18 degrees. We know the value of 60 degrees value. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2 into cos 18 minus cos 18 degrees. So 2 to get cancelled. 1 into cos 18 degrees minus cos 18 degrees. So both are get cancelled. The remaining value is 0. That is RHS. Okay. In this problem, we can using the which compound angle formula? Cos of A minus B and cos of A plus B. Okay. Note that one. Okay, completed students. Okay. Same model problems, homework problems. Prove that first one, cos 35 degrees plus cos 85 degrees plus cos 155 degrees is equal to 0. Second one, sin 750 degrees into cos 480 degrees plus cos 120 degrees into cos 60 degrees is equal minus 1 by 2. Third one, cos a plus cos of 4 pi by 3 minus a plus cos of 4 pi by 3 plus a is equal to 0. Okay. First problem, cos 35 can be written as cos of 30 plus 5 or okay 30 plus 5, cos 85, cos of 90 minus 5, cos of 155, 180 minus 25. Again 25 can be written as 30 minus 5. Cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b, cos of 90 minus theta. Same as it is in the model problems. Okay, everyone do these problems. ఇంకా ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా ఐదర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కావచ్చు లేదా హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో కావచ్చు, ఏమన్నా అర్థం కాకున్నా సరే పర్సనల్గా నాకు మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఎవరి థ్యాంక్ యూ, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.